How you doing? Hi everyone, Old Wolves here. How you doing? That's my saying over here. I seldom use it though. So, how you doing? That time for the train wreck, I kind of poured myself a heavy. I wasn't watching it. I thought I just finished the bottle because I didn't think there was much. I poured myself a heavy. Okay. So, I picked up my books today. I picked up my phone because it has the bling blings on there. We do this all the time. See? Got my bags and boards. So today's the 15th. I picked up my books today. Like I say all the time, I hope everyone received their books. I hope everyone got the books they wanted, the covers they wanted, that type of thing. It's not that big of a week, so I picked up a couple of back issues of stuff I wanted, which usually people don't want, so I got it pretty good. So let's get this going, okay? Let me put this there. Let me put that there. Let's bring this up. So I'll put that there. Get my glass. Okay. Make sure my hands are dry. First up, Grimm. We got a Frizzen cover here. I guess this is our friend Marcel, I think. He's another Reaper. I know some people didn't like the first issue, but I did. So I picked up number 2. I'm going to try to get all the Frizzen covers. They may go together, I'm not sure. I know you can get the Frizzen cover without the trade dress, but I can't afford those, so I'm picking this one up. So again, I know a lot of people didn't like the first issue, but I mean, she is JH. What's her? Oh, I can't even think of her name. I know it begins with a J. Oh, jeez. No, it's not G's either. I'm seeing if they say her name in here. It doesn't matter. Anyways. So basically she's a Grimm Reaper, or Grimm, that it can interact with the live people and dead people, which is an oddity. So hopefully they get more into this, and hopefully I enjoy it. Again, if I don't, well, then it might be just a cover buy, because I'm getting all the Frizzen covers. At least I'm trying to. So, but again, I know. Oh, it's put up by Boom Studios, just to let you know. I know a lot of people didn't like it, or weren't into it as much, but I'll keep it going, see how it goes. Second one here. Superman, Son of Kal, number 12. Taylor is doing the writing. Still a great read. So, I mean, Lex is in this one. He's a bad guy as usual, right? As usual. Batman's in this one. He takes the Kents, and he takes Lois, and he takes John to a safe house. Well, John's not in the safe house, and Batman doesn't like John's boyfriend. So, what's his name's in this one too? Bendix. Bendix is Bendix wasn't bad previous, right, in the 80s, but they made him bad here, so I don't know. But so far so good. Still going strong after a year. Still a nice read. Still the art's pretty good. That's not the art, but that is their Pride 2022. But the art is constant. It's good for the story. Oh, look. That's crypto, isn't it? Like I said, I haven't read it yet. So, oh, there he is. Ooh, there he is. So it's still going strong. I'm still picking it up. It's a year in, so if there's a trade or something, I'm not sure. Make sure my hands are dry. Oh, and there's an advertisement there for the Super Pets. Coming out July 29th. Only in theaters. Be there. Who's in it? Dwayne Johnson and Kevin Hart. There you go. They should make the movie The Twins, remake the movie, and put them in it as brothers. No? Okay. Okay. This is a new one. It's a new independent. The Power Bomb #1 by Daniel Warren Johnson. I missed the Murder Falcon. Same guy. So I thought I'd pick this up. And again, the art. I heard the other, he did that Wonder Woman miniseries. He did the Beta Ray Bill miniseries, which I read, which was great. He did the Murder Falcon. I think I'm saying it right. So I thought this one, I give this one a run. Has to do with wrestling. That's all I know. I haven't read it. I thumbed through it. If I think it's the bomb, I'll keep it. If I think it's a bomb, I'll put it in there and forget about it. So we'll see. This next one's also a new #1. It's an independent. I know nothing about it. All you know is Jay Lee is doing the art. Seven Sons. Part 1. I guess someone has 7 kids. I don't know. There's a strong family resemblance. We'll give us a run, see how it goes. It's from Image, usually pretty good. It's a mini-series. I'm hoping Jay Lee is doing the art, which always helps. Ooh, I don't want to go too fast. Everybody's got those freaky eyes. So we'll see how it goes. Again, if I don't like it, I'll bag it and forget about it. Okay. Next one. Moonlight. Black, white, and red. It's the last one was 3 stories. Wasn't bad. Different writers, different artists. Basically all the same colors, which are, guess what? Black, white, and red. So I'm assuming that this is a little bit of the same. Black, red, black, white, and red. Black, white, and red. Black, white, and red. Black, white, and red. With a butterfly. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same. The first book was entertaining. We'll see about this one. If I could shoot it. Okay. Now, that was my last one of the books that came in this week. Again, I've been cutting back, so I'm not getting a lot of titles. Some weeks I get loads of them. Some I get nothing of them. So I get some back issues. Here we go. Adventure Comics, number 431. Nice Spectre book. Art on the cover is awesome. I think this is the beginning of his ongoing in Adventure Comics, but I may be wrong. But other than a few along the spine, you know, the bricks color here, here. It's a clean cover, and it's a beautiful cover. It really is. That's a beautiful cover. I saw that in a box. I had to get it. Plus, I love the character. And I'm going to read this one, and hopefully I'm going to enjoy it, and I'll buy more. We'll see. Oh, I guess put this in. Hold on. These don't have the same things. They don't have the barcodes. I hate when it does that. Hold on. Are you watching my struggles? All right, hold on. Yep, there you go. There you go. All right. Now let's go. We'll go to series. We can go to adventures. Comics, number 1. Shows you, I like how it sets up, shows you all the covers. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. But anyways, here we go. So we gotta search for 431. Oh, let's start from the beginning. Oh. 33, 383. All right, here we go. So it's 431. I have 432 and 431. I'm adding it. It's got a key. So let's see if I was right. First ongoing Spectre. See? I'm good. I'm good. I don't know much, but when I do know something, I'm good. Okay. So that's it. Put that over there. Now, this is when I get weird and I know I get stuff and nobody gets. I picked up 2 Dr. Spectres. Okay? Gold key. Cross into these babies. I've been picking these up. Hold on. I like the old horrors. And these are the old horrors. And the art is awesome. And well, let me pick us up with them. Whitman. Oh, shite. Here we go. I love this art when I was a kid. A lot of the old horrors from the 70s had this idea. It was awesome. I wish I knew more history to tell you guys, but you want stuff like this to find out about this? Contact Metarog. Metarog's channel, Roger, he knows all about this old stuff. I mean, it's not in the greatest condition, though this one's pretty good. But it's the kind of things that not a lot of people want, so, and people used to beat up. No. There you go. So I picked up 2 of them. The gold key came before the Whitman, because gold key went into it, became that. So this is the 25. This is the 20 center. That's the 25 center. I know this one's got a little damage in it on the back, but you can't see it through the front. All right, let's hook these up. I can spell doctor right, I'll be all set. T. There we go. Western Publications. So here's the number 6, which is this one. That's the number 6. And here's number 9, which isn't. I'm looking here. It's not the actual number 9, so I can't keep them together. This is more of a reprint than it is. So let's find this out. Oh, there we go. See? They became down here. That's funky. Number 9, it's a number 9, but it's a Whitman. It's not a gold key. So I'm not putting it in until I look into it. I'm not. Because if I put it in here as a gold key, then it's not, I'm lying to myself because I don't have it. So, whoop, whoop, whoop. So I'm going to have to do this on my own because I don't think you guys want to see me fumble around in here looking for it. So this is in. And okay, so let's add all these up. So yeah, I'm interested. Oop. Okay, it's all in there. Okay, let's get out of this. How you doing? So yeah, I'm really interested in finding out what's this, if this is a reprint or this is a variant. Like I said, I know I'm enjoying the reading, but I don't know much about these old gold keys, the Whitmans, stuff like that. Western Publications, Western Publishing Company, Inc. So I get a call. Maybe I'll contact Metarog. He'll probably know about it. But I want to do a little research on my own before I do that. So, all right, hold on. Let me take a sip. All right, you guys. This is the train wreck. As you can tell, no scripts. Whatever happens, happens. I appreciate you guys watching. I try to put these out on every Thursday at 7 o'clock. Unless something happens before then, guaranteed I'm putting this out at 7 o'clock on Thursdays. This Saturday, I'm going to be on Justin's Knows Good Comics. For some reason, he wants to interview me at 2 o'clock on Saturday. I hope I can bring some value to his show. If you watch it, go watch it. Not if. Go watch it. The guy deserves it, even though I'm on it. So appreciate you guys and gals. Thank you very much for watching. Let me get the mouse on the dot over here. See ya.